Well, my dentist had informed me that there was really nothing else they could do for my teeth and recommended that I get implants. And I went to a couple of places in Charlotte, surrounding areas, not really satisfied, so I was talking to my youngest son. He said, well, why don't you come up and see Tyrone? That's what we've always called him. I said, he's a dentist. Yep, check him out online. I did. Drove up. Best decision I ever made. Met the staff, Megan and Whitney and many of the others, and I was just impressed. So professional, so compassionate, so down to earth, and they just sit around and talk to me, explained what was involved and how long the process would take, and I said, okay, so here I am, 6 months later, all done. Yeah, I like the way it looks too. Took a picture of it, sent it to my wife, and she's happy, so we're all happy with the process. It has been a very pleasant experience. I mean, as pleasant as dental work can be, but it has far exceeded my expectations. I've been around for some years, been to lots of dentists, but I would say that I've never experienced anything near my experience here. So I'd recommend him to anyone with needing dental work, whether it's implants or whatever you might need. I would thoroughly recommend him without any hesitation.